Hi everybody, 𝐼𝐚𝐿 here, and I wanted to share with you an unboxing of this fabulous Mega Make and Take for January 3rd. There are so many fun and amazing projects in here. You're not going to want to miss this. It's like starting the new year with some totally awesome projects. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so here is the box. It says Mega Make and Take Extravaganza at Home. And I love the box always says your box of happy just arrived. And that is so true. That's exactly what it is. You open it up and there's always a secret little hidden message in here. This one says crafting is your superpower. If you could see that right there. How cute is that? And so let's go ahead and start unboxing this fabulous box. Oh my goodness, it's so much fun. So first off, I see that there's this kit from Craft Fantastic. And there's all kinds of awesome goodies in there. All the glue, some twine, and then the fabulous glass for jewelry making, or as we are going to see, other alternatives, which I'm so excited about. And let me show you what that makes. So I'll go ahead and put the box that way, and I will show you what Craft Fantastic's project will be. Fun and fabulous different cards for all of our gifting needs. This one is Christmas, and look at how cute. And they use the glass piece there to make that Christmas card. And then this is Valentine's. How cute. And then there's that little jewelry making that I like. It's so versatile because you could make cards with it as well. You're not just stuck to making jewelry. The charms. And then this is a happy birthday. And oh, I love sunflowers. Look at how beautiful that is. And then this one is a Halloween card. I love this. It's like that vintage look feel of the cat. And then there's the little glass bead there and the boo as well. How fun is that? And then this beautiful last card is a happy birthday as well. So that is a fun and amazing project. Let me show you the next one. Okay, so going back into our box here, the next one is from Quotes. And not only are you getting one kit, but you get two kits in this box, fabulous box. And as you can see, this one says Premier Make and Take Project, and this is a mini album. So that is super impressive and beautiful. And then this is a Premier Page Kit. So not only are you going to be making a mini album, but you're also going to be doing this beautiful layout. And let me show you what that will look like. So here is the mini album. And I always love quick quotes saying. This one says, always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. And how beautiful. There's the tags. I love they're so versatile. The mini albums. Look at how beautiful. Love the life you live, with more flip outs and tags. So awesome. Live the life you love. And there's more. And another tag. And then live for today. And here's another tag. And how fun is that to make? You could also use this as a sample, and then you could replicate it in all different ways. So that's a great learning project there. And then with the other quick kit by Quick Quotes, you have this beautiful 2-page layout that says happiness. And look at how gorgeous that is. You're gonna make this. How fun. Oh my goodness. That is just simply gorgeous. Cannot wait to make that. And then the next kit that we're gonna get out of the box, let's pull the box back. And this kit is from a company called 𝐘𝐿. And look at how bright. We're already getting into the spring. And how fun is that? Looks like you're going to be making a mini album. And that is adorable. I love the bright colors. And let's see what that kit's going to look like. And here it is. How fun is that? Spring fun. It's a gorgeous little mini album with a little camera here. And I'll just do a fast flip through. How amazing and colorful and beautiful that is. Can you imagine adding the fun photos to it? I'm kind of skipping through some pages here, but it is simply gorgeous. And I love the little camera that it is. How cute is that? From 𝐘𝐿. So that's the next project. How cute. And let me show you let's bring the box back and let's see. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is Live, Laugh, Love, and this is from Pinecone Press. And it looks like it's a mini album. The colors, this is the kit. This is how it will arrive to your house. And let's see the finished project. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous is that? Look at this beautiful bow. Isn't that gorgeous? And let me do a quick flip through. Special memories. Celebrate life. And then, you know, like all these have pullouts as well. So interactive and beautiful. Happy together. And then these are tags that come out and pull out. And more tags. Have you heard the news? How cool is that? Just some pages flipping through fast here. But how cool. Good times. Perfect family. This is gorgeous mini album with this beautiful bow. And that is fantastic. And there's going to be a new paper keeper in this edition. And it's never been seen before. So this is the first time. And it says, hot dang, I have the cutest craft supplies. How cute is that, right? Is that not adorable? And you know, these paper keepers are so good for keeping all of your supplies together in one location. They open easily. They are so much fun. They make room at the bottom. They open up. And you can just keep all your fabulous projects in there. And I especially love the hot dang button that comes with it. And it's, yeah, I have the cutest craft supplies. And how fun is that to collect all the buttons, to collect all the paper keepers, and all of the beautiful projects in this January 3rd Mega Make and Take box filled with so much fun. I hope that you get your hands on this soon before they sell out. Thank you guys. 𝐷𝐸𝐿 loves you. Bye.